Transform your gardening with deep water culture hydroponics. Experience the future of gardening with our deep water culture hydroponics system. Perfect for both beginners and experts, this system ensures faster growth and higher yields, no soil needed. Everything you need to start growing, including 5 buckets, net cups, clay pebbles, a 4-watt submerged pump, and essential accessories. Choose this hydroponics for faster, cleaner, and more efficient plant growth. Grow plants up to 50% faster than traditional soil methods while saving water with a recirculating system. Enjoy a mess-free experience with no soil, just pure, hassle-free cultivation. Grow smarter with hydroponics. Get your deep water culture hydroponics system now from techdiydynamic.com with free worldwide delivery and easy returns. Start growing faster, cleaner, and hassle-free. Order today. Experience hassle-free gardening with our deep water culture hydroponics system. Its efficient water circulation delivers nutrients directly to plant roots for optimal growth. Made from durable, ultraviolet-resistant materials, it ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for tomatoes, peppers, herbs, and more, this system works indoors or outdoors. Plus, its user-friendly design makes setup a breeze, ideal for DIY gardening enthusiasts. When setting up a hydroponic system at home, it's crucial to maintain the water level in the growing tubes, even during power outages, to prevent plant dehydration. The water reservoir should be 3 to 4 times the system's total volume to reduce the frequency of refills and ensure submersible pumps remain covered. Stay tuned for more tips on adapting soil-grown seedlings for hydroponics and other useful tricks in an upcoming video.